Hello everybody, and I'm joined with Sydney, and hopefully for an actual vintage alarm this time. But I just guessed the 4120B. Hopefully this one is the 5919. Oh god, please tell me it's the 50. Please be the 5919. I think it is actually. Unless it's the box it typically comes in. This better be the 5919. Oh, good it is. Okay, first of all, harness. I'm pretty sure we're gonna need that. Alright, here we go. Let's see what this thing looks like. There it is. Oh, we got two harnesses. What the hell? Oh, I think I know why. Oh, yeah, that's right. It has the two prongs. So this is a 5919TH. So this is one of those 90s... What the hell? Something's rattling in there. Oh yeah, it's got the purple wire harness. And then this is the one that matters.
That's made of the DCRs.
Yeah. So this one looks like another BRK that I literally just got this one. Except the most notable difference is the button. It's basically it. But okay, so the button has your indicator light on the button. On this one. This one has the indicator light on this hole. You can kind of see it in there. Yeah. Yeah, it's down there, and the piezo's in there as well. So I think this 5919 will sit in the same area as my, what was it? HB 6135F. So now we're gonna go ahead and see how this functions. But basically, this is I already had the normal 5919, so I just needed this one. It's kind of the reason why I bought this. But also because I'm trying to improve my Photologic BRK collection. So, anyways, basically goes, not that one, it's this one. Can't force this down because of the...
Is that the one that actually works with smoke alarms? Like, that like has the piezo?
Yeah, this is the smoke and heat alarm version. I forgot to mention that. This one's smoke and heat. The HD 6135F does not have that capability. Okay, hopefully it's plugged in enough where it would actually work. Okay, we're good. So yeah, red LED in there, and functionality should do 4.6.
Wow. That is fast.
Faster than I expected it to be, and it did a funny dying sound. Now I gotta get this harness out. That's interesting. Yeah, that was a lot faster than I expected it to be. It's like a beep 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 beep. It's kind of funny. And then the harness. I mean, not the harness, the bracket.
Is that purple harness similar to like how the 769s have? Like the connecting pin? Looks similar.
Yeah.
I don't know. It kind of.
Alright. Well, yeah. This is a. Kind of like. I actually like this one a lot. I actually do really enjoy this one. But yeah, this is a 5919 TH smoke and heat alarm, so. Yeah, that was a cool little alarm to get. Thank you all for watching, and you want to say bye? Do you want to say bye?
Audio.
Yeah, I don't think, your audio's not picking up. Alright. Anyways, bye-bye.